How are my people? Welcome to your new video by Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today we are going to do an unboxing. I will give you my first impressions of this accessory that made me very curious, the Ulanzi MT-73 tripod. I confess that this is the first time I've tried something from this brand, so let's find out together how it turns out. For starters, the packaging is pretty minimalist, not to say basic. And it doesn't show much detailed information, which initially gives you that feeling of being a generic product. However, on the back we find the essentials, quick instructions that show the extended tripod, its rotating cold shoe mount, the 1/4 universal screw and the adjustment knob. Upon opening the box, we only found the tripod and a wrist strap straight to the grain closed. It is quite compact, measuring just 21 centimeters. Here we can see up close the cold shoe and the 1/4 screw, which is adjustable using a rotating ring and a small side lever that ensures that your camera or accessory does not move even 1 millimeter. To deploy the legs, we have to go to the base and press the push button. Although the predominant material is plastic, it has pleasantly surprised me to the touch. The handle has a rough texture, almost rubberized, that greatly improves the claw and prevents it from accidentally slipping on us during use. The most interesting thing comes when extending it. We went from about 21 centimeters to a maximum distance of 55 centimeters, which makes it a super versatile option for both desktop and night travel. The video, we are going to do a test. I have already been using the tripod for a week. They saw the unboxing and we are going to see the details of the triple, so they have a reference. This is the tripod that I have been using with my Osmo, and I'm going to do a small test. I'm going to record briefly. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to take a shot so you can see the maximum distance I get with this treppy. There is my tripod. If I put it like that, for example, that's the maximum distance I have there. That's the maximum distance I have. If you realize maximum distance, okay now. One of the reasons why I decided to change this 3-foot, if you realize, is that it is super flexible. I can practically put it anywhere, but it is very short. That is for everything else at a long distance. It is not very practical. Okay, so here I have the new Ulanzi brand 3-foot. About 22 or 22. It cost me this 3-foot. If you realize it has the frame of 3 by 1/4. I think it is called the normal frame. You have here what they call cold shoe, the one for mounting other types of elements and accessories. This here is to fix it so that it is more or less flexible to assemble. It is super easy here, a rotating wheel here that allows one to clearly roll it there and make it tighten or loosen. And here at the back, the button serves to open it when pressed. We can open it and use it then. About 3 feet they realize there, and we press up to close it again, and here we have our bandits just for safety. In case you drop it or collide with something, don't let your camera fall to the ground. There we basically have the main elements of this 3-foot in terms of size, if you realize. It's not a hell of a lot bigger than the other one. It's not a lot bigger than the other one. It's slightly bigger. We were about 4 centimeters, maybe bigger. They don't have the same flexibility of this one as this Me. You can even go out and hang it on a tree wall or whatever. This one does not have this flexibility, so we have to keep in mind what things we can do, and that there is no version of this one. Of the same brand, this brand is a hobby of this same brand that costs about 50 or 60 because it is much larger and, well, it could be a little uncomfortable for me. So let's go with the 3 feet. I'm gonna mount the camera. I'm gonna mount the camera first. I put it there, and with the rotary I can squeeze it easier. If I can squeeze it, even doesn't matter at the angle at which I feel good. There it is. That's the size already with the tripod mounted, the bed with the tripod mounted without using the hanger. I'm going to close this way without using the hanger. Let us see the distance here. For example, look here, the distance without using the hanger. Or K here remotely without using the hanger. And now I'm going to use the hanger if you want to use it like 3 feet. You saw I hit the button here and put it like 3 feet without using the hanger. So now I'm going to use the hanger. You just have to pull. It has several, of course it has several levels. That would be the first level. There they realize first level, second level, the third, second level. From there it takes more or less distance. If I take it with the other hand even further away than then. Third level of the hanger, much wider still. Fourth level, and that's the longest level we have. For the hanger, because they also call it the telescopic bar. There you see the level. So within the functionalities that I showed you is that we have what they call in the world of photography kudshu, which is the standard mount for photographic accessories. Does this mount allow you, for example, to put one other accessory? Today, I think it leaves it here. One other accessory to your 3 tripod to tripod. We can put this type of accessory here, for example, which is a small light, or can we also put DJ mics accessories? The transmitter, for example, from DJI, which falls perfectly here, can also put here a microphone of this type that I am using, the Osmo DJI or Osmo Mini Mic Mini. We can also fall perfectly here in the mount as well, and I can use the microphone to record 1 or 2 people, or a microphone for the camera that points away and another microphone that's on top of you. It really, really is a super versatile 3 feet, and as I told you, only power 22. Come on, Amazon, and for now I'm sticking with it. So come on, let's leave this video up to my people. If you like, share about subscribing. If you have any questions regarding him, let me know. Until next time.